Hello, this is James Smith at GannAnalysis.net. Today we're looking at the Tadawul All Shares Index. TASI is the ticker. So this is the Saudi stock market index. Now, if you draw a line down from high using a scale of 36 points per month, that's the scale of the 1 by 1. You can see here it caught this high. Presumably when it gets down here, 12,758, if the market breaks out and closes above this, the theory is that you'll get a move higher. If you fail at the 50% retracement, this level at 12,517, or at the 1 by 1 at 12,758, then you may see a pullback. Notice here when you closed above the 3 by 1, which, to put it in perspective, the price unit or the scale is 108 points. That's 3 times 36. That makes it a 3 by 1. If you close above that and then fail at the 1 by 1, that sets up a move down. So, sometimes history repeats. If you get to 12,758 and fail, and then you subsequently close below the 3 by 1 at 12,331, that would set up a near-term correction. But we're not here to tell you which way it's going to go. We're not that smart. What we're trying to do is tell you, let the market decide what it wants to do. If you close above 12,758, okay, that's your signal, green light for it to go up here to 14,629 or maybe even higher. If you close below 12,331, then you'll come down here or maybe even lower. So let the market tell you what it wants to do. The first thing you need to do is turn off CNBC. Talking heads on CNBC don't know what they're talking about most of the time. And even when they do, nobody's perfect. They're going to get it wrong most of the time. So the reality is the market never makes a mistake. The market is always right. So if you close above 12,758, Gann would suggest that you're probably going higher. And if you close below 12,331, you're probably going lower. Now, could it happen that you get a false breakout above 12,758 and then come back down? Sometimes that happens. But, Gann is not perfect. The market is never wrong. Sometimes Gann can give you a false signal. There is no charting tool that's right all the time. But what we can say is that Gann works most of the time, and it's obviously far better than any talking head you'll hear on CNBC. I mean, they're not even the ballpark. But as far as technical analysis goes, maybe I'm biased, but I think Gann is the best tool you can use. And the illustration here is something you can follow going forward. You can watch and see how the market responds, because we're not there yet, right? We're not even above the 50% retracement. We're just trading just below it. 12,517 is the level to watch for the 50% mark. If you close above that, then watch to see what happens at 12,758. And I would not get bullish until you get above this line. Remember, it failed back here and it sold off. It could fail here and sell off. So you want to wait for it close above it. You might even give it a couple of days above it just to make sure it's not a false breakout. If you get above it and it, keeps going higher, you can have confidence that the rally is going to continue. If it fails at this level and then subsequently closes below 12,331, yeah, you're probably going down for a near-term correction. So keep an open mind, listen to the market, let it tell you what it wants to do.